what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a cute festive bow. What you would need is 1.5 width ribbon, 12 inches long, 2 pieces. Also that same ribbon you would need 2 pieces, 6 inches long. And 3/8 width ribbon, 4 inches long, 2 pieces. Bowdabra wire, 8 or 9 inches depending on what you like. A hair clip. Alright, let's get started. So you're just going to place the bow wire down the center. You're going to take one of your 6-inch pieces, scrunch it, place it down. Take the next one, scrunch it, place it down. You can measure these if you'd like. I just kind of estimate. Go with the flow. Alright, next you're going to take the 12-inch piece, scrunch the end, place it down. Just going to loop it around, scrunch, and place it down. You're going to go do the same thing with the next piece. Scrunch, place it down, loop it around, and scrunch. And then you can use your wand to kind of scrunch it all together. Make sure it stays nice and together. And the piece you just scrunched, you're going to estimate the center, scrunch again, then crisscross them to where it looks like this. Estimate the center again, scrunch, place it down. Then you can adjust it, play around with it here. Alright. You take the 2 ends into fold. You're going to just fold the bow wire, the 2 ends into the loop, hold it tight and pull. And pull again. Just to secure it before you take it off of the Bowdabra. I'm just going to tie it a couple of times. You could cut off the excess, but I just like to tie it just for extra security. Right, and then you're able to adjust it again if you need to. Then you're going to take the 4-inch piece, tie it in a loose knot. And this is going to serve as your center. So we're just going to hot glue that down in place. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Last we're going to do is cover the clip with the other 4-inch piece. I'm just going to hot glue this to the back. Just like that, and you are all done. Very simple, very cute, and very quick.